just don't understand. No, I'm too good to you. I'm way too good to you. You set my life for granted. I just don't understand.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome sis. How are you? Here on my YouTube channel, I'm going to show you guys everything from vlogs to hair videos to makeup videos to messy Monday. This upload, I'm going to show you guys how I did my eyebrows. It's giving, like, it's a vibe. It is giving. So I'm going to go in with my eyebrow brush, and I'm using my phone as a mirror. I really don't like to do that, but right now I'm doing it. And I use a regular pencil, a regular brow pencil. It is a regular Wet n Wild brown pencil that I get from Dollar Tree. Personally, I love it. I've been using it since I've started on my eyebrows, and I will continue to use it because it has never, ever steered me in the wrong direction. Alright, so after I use my brow pencil, I typically like to go in with a spoolie, and I like to just shade my eyebrows up and over. Next that I've done that, I like to go in with my LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Chestnut. I always look at the back number, so number 96 in the color Chestnut. And I go in with my concealer brush. With my LA Pro Girl concealer. It is going to be in the color Beautiful Bronze, number 97. Always make sure that you blend your eyebrow out. Not only do I mean like blend your eyebrow out, like take the brush, right? Take your spoolie brush all over again. Take your spoolie brush and blend your eyebrow out some more. You don't want no dark eyebrows on the front. Like that's not the look anymore. You don't want no dark eyebrows on the front. And then you want to make sure that you still got them concealed to the gods, okay? Man, this is another thing you don't want. You see, like, y'all see my concealer, right? Y'all see my concealer, how it kind of make me look like I got like an underline, how do you call it? Unibrow, but it's with concealer. No, boo-boo. No, boo-boo. You want to take your blending sponge and you going to blend your whole eyebrow out, forehead and all, sis. Blend that out, okay? Eyes too. Forming a unibrow, like that's not what we're giving, okay? And And that is how I achieve my eyebrow look. And we're done. So, see you guys in my next video. And I'm also going to post my talk show, Missing Monday. I'm also going to talk. What? What are you talking about? Yes, it's in my room. It's my hoodie. First of all,
Hope you can take it all. I'm too good to you. I'm way too good to you. You take my life for granted. I just don't understand it. No, I'm